Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a twist or rotate effect for your videos on CapCut. So first, you need to add the clips that you want to add it, and just add keyframes at the beginning and also the end of each clip, like this. And after that, on the last keyframe, here rotate the clip to the right a bit, like this. And then after that, after you rotate, zoom in the clip so that it fills the screen, like this. Then repeat the steps for all of the clips. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the final result for the rotate effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.